Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna talk about some products which one I buying. Yes, you think about all these products for free? No, I am buying them. Where? At Nordstrom, of course. Let's start with first products I using a lot, and it's a dry shampoo with color. It's brand DRYBAR, and it's color brunette. You know, at the end of this video I will take a picture of all products which one I using. Okay, why do I use these products? For one reason, because I do color in my hair, and every 2 weeks I need to put new color, but sometimes I do not have time. What I do, I just spray in my roots, and I will show you how I do this. And it's very easy and quick, and it smells amazing. And absorb products, again, it's a DRYBAR brunette color. And look at this before, and now I will show you. Cover all my gray. Voila. Quick, right? Grades go. You saw my hair before and after. Result, it's amazing, and it's only $23. And of course you reach me and I will send you home, and it's free shipping. And it's coming two color, brunette for darker color or for blonde. Okay, second products, it will be Dr. PERRICONE Nutritive Cleanser. These products I absolutely in love for one reason. I using a lot of makeup, and I using a lot of eye makeup. When I using this cleanser, it's not basically removing all my makeup, all my eye makeup. I don't have this black raccoon's eyes, and it's also help with pores. But I like, because for me personally, it's the best cleanser ever. Remove all my makeup, right? Okay, let's do third products, and it will be two the best eye makeup removers. I never know which one is the best, this one or this one, Chanel or LANCôME Bi-Facil. I like both of them, but if you will say which one, I will go with Chanel. Sorry, LANCôME girls, but I prefer Chanel, but I do buy both of them because I like two of them. Okay, and of course, where is eye makeup remover, it will be SHISEIDO cotton. This is inside, it's 165 pads. This is the best cotton. Okay, first of all, you will use much more less eye makeup remover or toner. Secondly, they are gentle. Also, you will I see so many sometimes customer comment, oh, I have irritation here, I have irritation here, because you buy cotton, cheap cotton soap in like a cheap bleach. This is the best cotton. I think it's $12 for 165, and you need like two packages like this per year, and they are small, perfectly cut. I'm telling you right now, if you never use this cotton pants, you must try. Again, it's $12, the best cotton ever. I buy them all the time. Okay, I have so many products, it's so much I want to show you and share you. What it's next it's foundation primer. One of my favorite right now, again, I just recently discovered, it's Christian Dior, and it's a Dior Forever. You have a 20 SPF, sunscreen and primers together. And what I like about this primer, how it feels. It feels very light. I do have large pores, it's minimized my pores, and it's make my my foundation, my makeup stay all day long. Love Christian Dior primer. And another primer, I used to be very oily, now my skin combinational. If you oily, it's a great primer from LANCôME, and it's a pre-matte all day hydration, but it's a matte finish primer. Love LANCôME primer. Again, it will give you hydration, but it will not gonna be feels like oily or greasy. Okay, I hope you can see this. Again, the end of video, I will take a picture of products which one I use. Now, it's very expensive, very expensive. This is my two favorite eye cream, Christian Dior and Chanel. Christian Dior Prestige eye cream, and it feels very light but give you nice beautiful hydration. Also, it's for dark circles, for puffiness, lines and wrinkles, and it's coming with beautiful tool. Then another eye cream. Next eye cream is Chanel Sublimage. Little bit different texture than previous eye creams. This is little bit more rich. If you will say you normal or normal to oily, I will go with Prestige. If you tell me you dry or you really dry, I will go with Sublimage. Yes, again, it's not cheap, it is expensive eye cream, but I'm 42 and I don't feel I have any lines and wrinkles, and this is what I use it. And my secret, I using this eye cream also around my lips. Why not, right? Okay, another product which one I really like it. It's a highlighter. This can be highlighter, can be primer. You can mix this with foundation, you can put on top foundation. This is Charlotte Tilbury, my favorite product. It's named Hollywood Flawless Filter. My colors, it's number 2, or I can go with number 3. Also, what it does, it gives me beautiful glow. Let's try on my hand, I want you to see. And sometimes I can use these products by self on my day off, because I just want this beautiful glow. It's so hard to probably see, because we need like special light, but I hope you can see. It's give me beautiful glow. If your skin dry, if you missing radiance or glow, use this first and then on top your foundation, or you can use without. If you person you hate foundation, you're not gonna use so many steps, but you wanna just even your skin and give you glow, Hollywood Glow, Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Again, my color 2, or I can use number 3. Love this. It's not too expensive, but this is my favorite Charlotte Tilbury products. Okay, then let's go with foundation. I do have couple different foundation, because my skin today feels dry, next day it's oily, then I want more coverage, then I want like no coverage. But if I go somewhere and I won't look the best of best, I like use Christian Dior foundation Airflash number 200, 12-hour variant, and it's a spray foundation. Basically you spray on your brush, not any of your brush, and you just buff to your face. You can look at my previous video where it says something about Dior makeup. In this video I use this foundation. Again, it's very light. I like how it feels on my skin. Feels very cooling, refreshing, and again, it's a buildable foundation. Second foundation, it will be LANCôME Teint Idole 15 SPF 24-hour wearing foundation. Again, it stays all day long, full coverage, and my color it's 210 buff. Also not comedogenic, not gonna plug your pore. And then we're gonna go to totally different foundation. On my days off, sometimes I want something very light, not heavy, breathable, how I will say, foundation. Not much coverage, it just even my skin, but it's enough for me. It's Giorgio Armani and True to Skin, Narrow Nude. My color it's number 5. It's a newest foundation. Which ones they have? Again, it's very light, it feels really give me good nice moisture. And another foundation from Lancôme, it's Teint Idole Ultra Very Stick. This foundation I like sometimes to, like if I use Armani and I need little bit cover here my pigmentation and melasma, I will just put a little bit here or here, and I'm like, la la, I don't need to apply on entire my face. If I traveling, this is best foundation to travel because it's not liquid, girls. Also, this is foundation I like to keep in my purse, believe me or not, because sometimes I need a little bit retouch. I know it's a lot of products. I'm gonna start making more video like this. This is products which one I buy, and this is like I can't live without this product. Okay, let's do with bronze. I like Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a contour kit, light to medium. I just purchased because you have a couple choices for your bronze. You have one little bit more orange, one more like cool warm color, and then you do have a yellow color for the powder. You have little highlighter here, and you have just light color you can use under your eyes, or you can set your makeup. But this is great for traveling, and I just love this color and I like the price. Hallelujah, something not too expensive, because if you're gonna buy like all this individual, it's gonna cost you lots of money. What it's next? Next, I'm gonna talk about eyeshadow. I do have maybe like 6 or 7 brands I like eyeshadow, but when I'm looking for eyeshadow, I look it for quality and second for price. No matter what, I like big savings. I like Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. They, I believe, like $45 or $48, but look at how many eyeshadow we have in these palettes. Okay, yeah, it's insane. Basically, you're paying less than $10 for one eyeshadow. If they $58 or $50, right? Look, it's another palette, and quality is unbelievable how amazing here. Also, if you're traveling, this is perfect. And some eyeshadow I can use for eyes, and some eyeshadow I can use for my blush. By the way, today I use this beautiful palette named Riviera. Also, I really like Christian Dior eyeshadow. Why? Because of quality. I know this brand. I start purchasing from 2003, and it's, to me, the Christian Dior, to me personally, have the best eyeshadow quality and eyeshadow combination, and a little bit different price than Anastasia, but you know what, everybody is different. Sometimes you can spend, they will say on eye cream $200, and sometimes you will spend $60 on eye cream. Just ask me and I will tell you which one brand have the best eyeshadows or eye creams, and I will give you different prices and you make decision, but I will help you. Okay, this is a lot of information. I will take pictures, and the video you will see see like big picture with all products what I use, but I will start making more and more videos like this. These products I buy, trust me, they are the best. Okay, love you all. Please subscribe, follow me, and share with your friends. Love you. Bye.